Hi, my name is Adriano and this is another video tour of LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we are presenting this stunning villa in an exclusive area, just 5 minutes from Lagos and Luz, 50 minutes from Faro Airport and 2 hours and a half from Lisbon. This home is located within a 5,000 square meters secluded plot, offering the utmost privacy, surrounded by lush natural beauty and yet close to all essential amenities. After its complete renovation, this villa blends modern finishes with classic charm. Among its many features, we have air conditioning throughout, underfloor heating and solar panels. Outside on the landscaped grounds, we have things such as a heated swimming pool with a jacuzzi, a golf putt, a poolside bar and a guest bathroom. Simply put, this villa is perfect for those seeking a private retreat with ample space for family and guests. This stunning south-facing villa offers views of the sea and cityscape. The upper floor features an open-plan living and dining area connected to a modern, full-equipped kitchen and high-end appliances. On this floor, we also have an office and an ensuite master bedroom with its own private terrace. On the lower floor, we have 4 bedrooms, one being ensuite, 2 family bathrooms, a living room and a kitchen. Outside the barbecue area, it's perfect for al fresco dining and entertaining. For more complete information about this unique property, visit our website, click the link below or give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, again give us a thumbs up for more property tours. Thank you so much for watching, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.